These AI fruit home shorts are getting tens of millions of views now. And amazingly, they are 100% free. Actually, I tested it myself, and the video I posted got more than 3,000 views in the first 19 hours, as you can see. This is the channel I created 2 days ago, and the results I got were truly crazy. And I want you to do the same. So, I'll explain my system to you step by step so you can start today. Look at this channel. They post these AI fruit home shorts, and they're getting tens of millions of views. For example, this banana short got 68 million views. So, let's get started right away. Channel setup. Click your profile picture on YouTube, select Switch Account, then View All Channels. Hit Create a Channel. YouTube asks for a channel name. Type anything temporary. We're fixing it in 30 seconds. Open ChatGPT. Go to the document in the description and copy the channel name prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. It generates names combining construction with creativity. Pick one that sounds natural when spoken. I chose Visual Dream because it's short and memorable. Update your channel name immediately. Copy the logo prompt from the document. Paste into ChatGPT. Your logo needs instant recognition at 40 by 40 pixels on mobile screens. Download it. Upload to your channel as profile picture. Copy the banner prompt. Paste into ChatGPT and give it your channel name. Generate. Download. Upload as channel banner. Total setup time, 7 minutes. Production process. Step 1. Research with Gemini. Before you create a single frame of video, you need data. This is the step most people skip, and it's exactly why most people fail. They guess what works. You're going to know what works. Open Gemini in a new browser tab. Copy the Home Magic channel link. Paste it into Gemini and ask it to analyze the channel's content strategy in detail. Give it about 90 seconds to process. What comes back is gold. Every single detail that makes those videos work is now sitting in front of you, organized and readable. Now go to that channel's video tab, sort by most popular, and copy the URLs of the top 5 fruit home videos. Go back to the document in the description, copy the video analysis prompt, and paste it into Gemini along with those 5 URLs stacked vertically. Gemini will watch all 5 videos and return the exact viral formula broken down frame by frame. What happens in the first 5 seconds to stop the scroll, how the construction pace is structured, how long the reveal holds before the video ends. Save this breakdown. It becomes your production Bible for every video you make on this channel. Step 2. Copy the ideas generation prompt from the document. Send it to Gemini. It will give you 10 strong topic ideas, all following the proven formula, all different enough from each other to build a full content calendar. Step 3. Get your scene prompts. Go back to the document and copy the image and video prompt. Paste it into Gemini, add the topic you chose, and send. Here's what Gemini is doing behind the scenes. It's taking your simple concept and converting it into 10 to 12 individual cinematic scene descriptions. Each one specifies the exact camera position, the actions happening. It's essentially writing a film script for your video before a single second of footage exists. Step 4. Generate the starting image. Copy the image prompt that Gemini gave you. Open Google Labs Flow and create a new project. Select Nano Banana, set the canvas to vertical format, paste the image prompt, and send. This image is more important than it might seem. It's not just a pretty picture, it's the visual anchor for your entire video. When the image generates, look at it critically before downloading. Does the lighting look natural and warm? Does the background field look open and clean? When you're happy with it, download it and keep it easily accessible. You'll use it as the starting point for scene 1. Step 5. Generate your videos. Scene by scene. This is where everything comes together and where most people make costly mistakes, so pay close attention. Go back to your scene prompts and copy scene 1. Switch the model in Google Labs Flow to VO 3.1. Upload the image you generated in the last step using the Start option. This tells the AI to use that image as the first frame of your video, meaning your video begins exactly where your image left off. Paste the Scene 1 prompt into the generation field and hit send. While it's generating, don't close the tab or start something else. Give it your full attention so the moment it finishes, you can evaluate it immediately. Generation takes 3 to 4 minutes depending on server load. When Scene 1 is ready, watch it at least 3 times before deciding anything. First watch, just take it in as a viewer. Second watch, look specifically at whether the pineapple looks physically real. Third watch, check the builder's movements. Do the hands grip the fruit naturally? Does the body movement look like a real person lifting something heavy? If it passes all 3 watches, download it. If anything feels off, Don't try to talk yourself into keeping it. Regenerate. The few minutes you spend regenerating one bad scene now will save you from building an entire video on a weak foundation. Once you have a clean scene one, go to the very last frame of that video. Right-click on it and select Save Frame as Image. This is the most important technical step in the entire process, and here's exactly why. Every time you start a new video generation without a reference frame, the AI makes fresh decisions. Maybe the sky is slightly different, maybe the grass is a different shade of green. The saved frame locks in every visual detail and forces Scene 2 to pick up exactly where Scene 1 ended. Upload that saved frame using the Start option, paste the Scene 2 prompt, and send. Repeat this process for every scene. Work through all 10 to 12 scenes this way. Total generation time is around 40 to 50 minutes. Step 6. Edit in CapCut. Once all your scenes are downloaded and organized in your project folder, open CapCut and create a new project. Drag Scene 1 onto the timeline and watch it completely. Trim any dead frames at the beginning where nothing happens. AI sometimes generates a half-second of static before the action starts. Delete it immediately. Add Scene 2 right after with 0 gap. Watch the transition. If your frame continuation worked correctly, the cut should feel smooth. Same lighting, same field, same builder. Continue adding all scenes in order the same way. Once the full sequence is on the timeline, watch it all the way through without stopping. Watch it like a real viewer on their phone, not like an editor looking for problems. Does the construction feel like it's progressing naturally? Does each scene flow into the next? Do you feel satisfaction building as the house takes shape? Now go back and cut aggressively. If the builder stands still doing nothing for more than 1 second, cut it down. If a transition feels slightly jarring, trim a few frames off one side. If a scene drags on past its interesting moment, end it earlier. Every second of your video needs to earn its place. Viewers will drop off the moment something stops being interesting, and the algorithm measures exactly how many people watch until the end. Target a final video length of around 40 seconds. This is the proven sweet spot for construction shorts, long enough to show a satisfying build journey, short enough to hold attention completely through to the end. This is the final results. When you're satisfied with the edit, export at 1080p minimum and download. When you publish it, put a title like this: DNA. Also, don't forget to mark your video as AI generated when publishing. Don't worry, it won't affect your views. Every video on this channel is marked and still performs well. Results. Now let's see what are the results. I uploaded my first video at 7 p.m. After one day, it got more than 2,000 views, 27 likes. The second video, after 19 hours, it got more than 3,000 views. Maybe you say this is a little views, but for context, that's viral level performance metrics for a completely brand new channel with zero existing authority. This is just from one upload a day, so what will happen if I uploaded 3 or 5 a day? So what I want from you is start now and take actions. If you want more viral faceless AI niches like this, watch the playlist appearing on the screen.